What's going on, y'all? We are at Mom and Dad's house this weekend. I'm at Mom and Dad's house this weekend. We are building the shop. We got the crane truck here and operational. We're gonna be putting up the trusses. We got 14 trusses to put up. So I'm gonna show y'all some of that. We got the crane truck there. And we put the trusses up today.
Yeah. Okay, we are at Robert's at his mother and dad's, Monday's mom. He's up on top of the part of the barn or shop that we're building. And we've got a whole crew of family and friends here. Here's Mark's bike. And if you flip over here, that's his dad, Bob. And all the way up there at the peak is Jim Sykes. Beware of Jim Sykes. And then over here is Robert's great friend, Chris. They've been friends for a long, long, long time. And they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th truss that they're putting up by crane, if you can see all the way to the top of the crane. And the wonderful friend who is operating the crane and owns the crane is Kurt Jones, whom we've known for a long time. He's a great guy as well. And then somewhere around here is Rick and Judy, but they're temporary out of service.
Alright, we got 7 trusses sent. We gotta get the other 7, but we gotta put that beam up first. So that's what we're getting into position now. Ain't that right, Chris?
Absolutely. Let me tell y'all what we got going on here.
We just had lunch.
How long is it?
Back at it again.
Is it 2 by 10?
Prior to lunch, they got 7 trusses up. These are big, big, big trusses, but it looks beautiful. I think it looks beautiful. These guys are working hard. There's Rick, Mark's hurt his back, so he's wearing Robert's weight belt. And now they're doing the doorway framing. To the left is Chris, and then Robert, and then Bob. This is truss number 14 of 14. The very last one. These guys have been working on this workshop literally all day long. They've all worked very, very hard. I don't know the square footage of this thing, but it's huge. And these trusses are really high up. That's Robert and Mark on the scissor lift. Jim up in the air there. Bob over there. Oh, whoops, there's Chris on the scaffolding. And then Kurt is a wonderful man who's a great friend with the crane and the scissor lift. He's letting us use those. So this is the last truss. We started this at 8:30 this morning. And I don't know. I don't even know what time it is. It's, I don't know. Probably somewhere around 7 o'clock p.m.
Bob, can you tell if that center's lined up? I can't see that mark. Give me a second.
Jimmy, you're on camera. Say something. Nice. Nice. Robert, show yourself. All right, it's been a great day, an awesome day. You know, I always say, wish it, dream it, do it. Wish what you want to do, make your plans, and then.
All right, y'all, it is 7:45. We just got done setting the last truss, so check it out. We got all 14 trusses in place, screwed in, locked and loaded. So feeling pretty good about that. Now, we're gonna grill some steaks, and everyone's gonna eat steaks except me, because I'm gonna be eating Tupperware, because it's prep time. So here we go.
What group is that?
Here's all the steaks, of which I will not be partaking.
Yep.
Beautiful. Alright, y'all, back at the house. It is now Sunday morning, afternoon, so happy Easter to you, because this is actually Easter Day. So yeah, we pretty much knocked out putting all those trusses up. There's 14 trusses. Now all that remains for the roof is to put the remaining purlins up and then put the tin roof on, obviously. So we're gonna be doing that probably at some point in the next couple weekends, but lots of history behind that shop. The first portion of the shop that is finished, we built in 2002, I believe. So pretty much 20 years later, 21 years later, we're making the second half of the shop, the addition. Every single board on that building was cut down from our family farm in southwest Arkansas, and then we milled it at our sawmill. We've got a sawmill, so we milled all the wood, all the timber into boards, into lumber, and we poured the concrete. We've done everything to that shop, so I'm very proud of my dad for having those skills, for our family for coming together and being able to build that. Everybody that was there working, my dad, myself, my friend Chris, my Uncle Mark, my Uncle Jim, Kurt, the guy operating the crane, and then Rick, a good family friend of ours who's been a family friend of ours for years. We all come together. None of us are construction workers by trade, but we all come together to get something done and just build something together that is going to be here for many years to come. So very proud of that, very proud of the family that I have, and it's super excited for my dad to have a big shop that he can use to keep making awesome projects that he does. So thank y'all for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you next time. Happy Easter to you. Finishing this vlog off on Easter with a clip of this cutie and this cutie. Happy Easter to y'all. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute?
Happy first Easter, Rigel.
We didn't hide any eggs for you though, buddy. Next time.
A little too little.
Next time. Love you, babe.
Love you.